Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, October the 22nd, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper there is also 7 extra Sudokus in the additional. But first I will start with this medium Sudoku, and this will be number 1785. And I have already counted the printed digits, and you don't believe this. This is the first time I see here there are 24 printed digits. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional, this Sudoku medium, you can compare it with a 4-star Sudoku. Yes, the 1 star has 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24. So my question is this really a 4 stars Sudoku? Is this medium a really 4 stars? I do not know. So let us check this out. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then in this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 1. Then. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then. I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 9 in this column? The 9 in that column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then in this column, 4 missing numbers. I need a 9 in this column. Can I place the 9 here? No, we have a 9 there. Can I place the 9 there? No, we have a 9 here. Then in this box, we have already a 9. So this is not the box where I put the 9. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see, which number can I use? Alright. How about the 3 in this row? The 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 6 and 5. 6 and 5, let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow for you. Then. We have a 7 in this column, a 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then these 2 numbers in the third column are reserved for the numbers 4 and 2. 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 7. No, 7 we have 5 and 3. 5 and 3. Let me mark them for you so you can follow it easier. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 6. No, still cannot fill this yet. I expect there are a lot of pairs. Here a pair, here a pair, there a pair. And this is also a pair for the numbers 5 and 2. 2 and 5. Alright. And now. Yeah, these 2 numbers in this row, the missing numbers here are the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The last column we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then we have here 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, so the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this big square, one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 3. That means 2 boxes left for the 3. Could be here, could be there. Well, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7, 2, 3. 6 and 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And we have a pair, 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9, so in the row between, the 4 and the 9 should be there as a pair. 4 and a 9. 9, 9, 9, 4, 4, 4, yes. That means 2 and a 5 are left for those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 5 is missing. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 6 is missing, yes. Alright, so now 1, 3. Yes, we have a pair again. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, 1, the 3, and the 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We see here 1. We see there 3. So no 1 and the 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 2. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And no. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, on the last column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 3. The 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Very, very strange. How about these 2 numbers now? 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5. We have a 7 and 5 here. So this is a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 7 and 5 are missing in this big square. We have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this is going to be 5. This should be a 7, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. So 24 printed digits. Is it a really 4 stars? I do not think so, because 4-star Sudokus, I really need 30 minutes or more to solve it. Yes, those are very hard to solve. This one, I've solved this in 13 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you soon with the additional, with extra Sudokus later. Bye bye for now.